In today's video, I'm going to show you how to toggle the grid in draw.io when you're using it inside Confluence or Jira. This is a super simple setting, but it's incredibly useful if you're trying to align shapes, keep diagrams clean, or just prefer working with visual guides turned on or off. Whether you're creating flowcharts, architecture diagrams, or quick sketches for your team, knowing how to control the grid will make your work faster and more precise. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira or Confluence workspace. From here, navigate to your project and click on your team or board where your tasks are located. Once you're inside the project, click on the specific task or issue where you want to add a diagram. This could be an existing task or a brand new one. It doesn't really matter. Inside the task view, look for the Actions option. This is usually found near the top or within the task menu, depending on your Jira layout. Click on Actions, and from the list of available options, select Add Draw.io Diagram. This will open the Draw.io interface directly inside Jira or Confluence. Now you'll be prompted to choose a diagram type. You can select any diagram template you want here, or even start with a blank diagram. For this tutorial, it doesn't matter which one you choose, since the grid option works the same across all diagram types. After selecting your diagram, click on Create to open the Draw.io editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your canvas along with the toolbars on the top and sides. By default, the grid may already be visible, but in some cases it might be turned off. To toggle the grid, look over to the right-hand side panel. You should see an option labeled Grid. Clicking this will instantly turn the grid on or off. If you don't see the grid option right away, or if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way. Simply press Ctrl Shift and G on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut instantly toggles the grid visibility. You can use it anytime while working in draw.io, making it really convenient when you need quick alignment and then want a cleaner view. Once the grid is enabled, you'll notice how much easier it is to align shapes, connectors, and text elements. And when you're done, you can toggle it off again for a polished, distraction-free diagram. After finishing your diagram, just save it, and it will be attached directly to your Jira issue or Confluence page. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to toggle the grid in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.